Hi, I'm Adam from EOS Bathware, here today to show you how to install this kitchen mixer with quick fit technology exclusive to Bella Vista. So here is the elegant packaging that comes with the Bella Vista tapware. Got the Bella Vista microfiber cloth, the lifetime warranty / guarantee, and inside we have beautiful tapware here. We also have the Allen keys, spare grub screws, and this key here will help you take out the aerator. The extra tools you'll need to complete the installation is a shifter and a pair of pliers. So the next thing we'll show you is the quick lock mechanism. We're going to bend these arms down, which will allow you to easily slide this whole mechanism into the hole in your bench top, and we spring it back up. That will allow these arms to grip underneath your bench top, and all we have to do here is tighten that, and you'll notice that the arms slowly raise up and we can get a really strong tight grip on the bottom of our bench top so that our mechanism doesn't move around. So one thing you'll notice is that there are teeth on the bottom of this. They will marry into the teeth internal to your mixer body here. What this will allow you to do is put that straight in, and when this locks in, it won't allow your mixer to twist and pivot over time, and it'll keep your mixer in the same position all the time. So a couple of things to notice with this. One hose is shorter than the other, so when we put it down the hole, it easily slides down there. So once we've got that positioned in place, all we're going to do is take this off, fold it down on the mat here, make sure that this is protected so you don't scratch your mixer. We're going to take this, tighten it up a little bit, not too tight. Then we're going to bring this back in, put this down, and we're going to move it into position. So once that's straight, hold the base so it doesn't move. Repeat this process. Turn your Allen key and tighten it up properly. And that completes everything for the top half. Now we're going to go underneath and do the plumbing under there. Now we're going to show you how to install the flexi hoses onto the stopcocks. We'll put that on. We're going to hold the hose here while we tighten this up. Now it's very important to hold this hose. This will prevent the hose from inside the kitchen mixer unraveling and causing leaks further down the line. What we'll do now, just to tighten it up, make sure there's no leaks, hold the hose again, grab your shifter, and just tighten him up. Now that hose is done, we'll just repeat those steps for the second hose. Now that we've completed our installation, we'll give it a test. Perfect. And that's how easy it is to install a Bella Vista Mica kitchen mixer. I'm Adam from EOS Bathware. Thanks for watching.